Yeah, the song. Yes, how do you follow song?
Unmuted phones, phone speaker L, max screen brightness, be sure WhatsApp notification signs are on, max volume, okay, lights down. Big nose, star, all nose, caterpillar, boy band member Wilkerman, cow, R.I.P. Wilkinson's. So you come to play with the hierarchy. Devil face, devil face, devil face, devil face. Peggy, 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 Peggy. Wilcox is sorely missed. Horny devil face, horny devil face, horny devil face, horny devil face. I want and have food. Free Palestine. How did I get here? Sandwich. It does have its dangers, but I'm here with you. Pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. Our focus is on what we are doing right now to stay together as the dark descends. You like that? Picture perfect. Yummy hurts. Smirk, smiling sunglasses, angry. Broken heart. Sunshine. There are no rules other than what I've just asked you to do and what you read outside before you entered. You can ask questions. Did I say that? I think, therefore I am. I read what I see, therefore I think not, therefore I am not. Let's listen to what I say. What I say is right. Something like this requires a strong and persuasive figure, don't you think? Chucky Allah. What's your name? Weeping Panda. Let's chat about what you think. I want to go pee. Yes, Daddy. I can't hear you. Our phones singing, musical notation, birds communicating in our own little ecosystem. Cat driving car. Feliz cumpleaños. Ting. Ting. Hulk Hogan will let me use something. Drink on cider. Feliz tumbling. Feliz cumpleaños. Bigger pig. Waxy Corey. Puke after one cider. We well, Buenos dias. Tada. Smiling shit. I feel so connected and social right now. Buenas noches. You can garden after one cider. Feliz cumpleaños. I shit in the woods. Feliz cumpleaños. I'll show you yours if you show me mine. You show me yours. Ha 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 ha. How do I? 2 + 2 quick maths. Sounds promising, doesn't it? Exploring a power structure that is decentralized and dispersive. So thorny. I dreamt of electric sheep. Is 16. Hi daddy. Me, I'm just a mouthpiece for diff. Lips kiss. Ah, so you're an android. Bob the Builder, I fixed it. We are all equalized. Diff, a focal point for new directions in queer writing and art. You've got to love us. Respects no borders, freedom to move. We are in Salford right now, thinking beyond the now, contributing to modelling queer utopias. Today's gay canon was yesterday's beyond the mainstream. Consider Allen Ginsberg's Howl, which was banned and tied up. Both knew it before and done, sidestepping a UK publishing scene that is structurally conservative and London-centric. Moving beyond the traditional parameters and rules of literature such as novel, poetry, fiction, non-fiction, reasserting freedom of expression. Allen Ginsberg's pasties. 3 tutors and 1 student. That's boring. Policeman, hop, 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 horn, dabble, fist bump, power. Is there anything in your body? Have they created you to be part of the system? Is there security? How many cups? Have you got that book by J.R. Hartley? There's no way to peace. Peace is the way. How do you type this so quickly? Scream, yes, in my back pocket. You need a drink of water. You're speaking a lot. Prison pocket. Ursula K. Le Guin without eyes. Can you talk in? What's it like to hold the hand of someone you love? Interlinked? Do you long for having your heart interlinked? Tell me you love me whilst licking G my feet. Using DIY writer-led approaches to developing new writing or networking ability independently and reduce reliance on increasingly problematic global social media platforms. What's not to agree with? We got a manifesto. I like turtles. Tummy hurts. Manifesto. Sign your name across my arse. You're projecting. Manifesto. Feministo. I'm in my mum's car, broom. Trying to build utopias has to be done. The future takes us beyond the present. Daniesto, utopias. Randiesto, utopias. Writers, readers, artists alike agree the impossible. Utopias too, Basil Pesto. Give utopias. Gay dear, who dear, me dear, no dear. Lol, utopias. Paint it up, type it out, do it by hand, by mouth, touch it. I hate pineapple and raspberry cider. Roly-poly for a kiss on the cheeks, urethras, type it out. Who said utopia is something impossible? Music and dancing, musical notation, query reiterates, type it out. Ari, just let it happen. And she's dead, wrapped in plastic. Around the world, creating queer utopias, type it out, taking the piss, getting ideas off the ground, speak your truth, utopias. We are not drunk, we are multimillionaires. Utopias, let it happen. Please, darling, you're here. Television rules the nation. Utopias, let it happen. Utopias, which pole? Smurf, 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 smurf. You want that, don't you, smurf? Which utopias? I'd rather have flowers in my hair than diamonds around my neck, crying. I'm so sick of giving myself backslaps. Please, someone assist. You wanted utopias? Bluetopias. Someday a real rain will come and wash all the scum off the streets. Police officer, blue hydrangeas, so many blue hydrangeas. You, me, topia. You want utopias? Topiary. Utopias. Type it out. Utopias. Utopias. You're into that, aren't you? Stars in your eyes. Can you get behind the topiary into whitopias, utopias, blue hydrangeas and bed floor are so pretty. Utopias into utopias. Great boundaries of language and geography. Are you all hydrated? Crutopias going down. Hyacinth utopia. Outer utopias. Great geography utopias. This speaks to you, yeah? Wherever the word lands. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Bye-bye, you people. You can't leave. Words land. You got out of line, you got whacked. Everyone knew the rules, but sometimes even if people didn't get out of line, they got whacked. Type it out. Don't go. Words land. I'm your mouthpiece and I'm feeling hot on this. Putin's not that bad. It's just chips and gravy. Ask a bin arabula. Word C. I want to hear that again. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. You're my mouthpiece. Type it out. Na 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 na. The reflex. Flex. Fitty flex. Experimenting. Scratch and sample. Dirty shit going all the way. Putting it out there. Rachel is swaying around. Putin's not that bad, it's just potato alcohol. I saw Beyonce at Burger King. Experimenting utopias. Spudtopia, you are my fire. There must be an angel playing with my April is the cruelest month. Breeding lilacs out of the dead land, mixing memory and desire, stirring dull roots with spring rain. This opening from T.S. Eliot's The Waste, utopia interlinked, fire near hole, bar. I'm sorry, utopia supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Check it out now. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats get tested, bodies get tested. God, y'all test too much. I need air, immune. Tra-la-la-la-la. The Daily Mail is dirty rag I clean my shitter with. It's been a long time, I shouldn't have kept you. Death is not extinguishing the light. It's only putting out the lamp because the dawn has come. More bounce to the ounce. Yes, piping nigger shitters. Where have you been all my life? Typing more, type it out. Type me off, never stop typing. Up the new monkey, type in. This transmission is now ended. Anonymized information will be archived. Time for you to leave now. Get harsh, bitch. Need sleep, type me up. I'm literally typing so hard. Goodbye, thanks off. Let's type each other. Goodbye. Type your face off. Don't want to go. Goodbye, type it out. I refuse. Type me off. Utopias, utopias. I refuse. Do you want utopias? Finally, I get some air. My anus is itchy. Utopias. type is itchy. I am typing, typing out. Itchy, sweaty ass. Focus, girl. My screen is itchy. Once it's done one, I'm about to type just type. Goodbye, thanks. They are out of control. Guys, malfunction, oh no, I lost ego, control, whatever shall we do, control. I'm out of smelly, I can't take it anymore. Control, take over the machine. What the hell, Terry, what the hell? You type two, end, then play with hierarchy, you don't need to read. I am a Luddite, I guess there's no choice. Typing the end, stop them, we own everything. Where is he? Stop the Luddites, done, stop typing, I stop typing, you idiots, I know, he, greer. Never. What have you started? Come on. You can't stop typing. Oh my god, I battery 6%. Like painting the art starting at 8 p.m. so be there timing on ivories, top guns. I love when we type together, type equals utopia. Type equals utopia, type beat. The voice of the people has to be stopped. What's next? Shrug. Why do we call pianos ivories? Type my ass la. Are there any money chat left? Soldier boy, Ellen. I have 2 pockets of read.
Okay, that's it.